Hey folks, the purpose of this video today is very straightforward and simple. What we're going to do is use the Google Ads Keyword Planner tool, find intent-based keywords. That's the total purpose of today's video, using the planner to show you how to find intent-based keywords for your Google Ads campaigns. So the first place you want to go is to your tools, and you want to go up to the planning option and select Keyword Planner. That'll open up this window, and you can click here on Discover New Keywords. That's the tool that we're going to use. Now note by default that it comes set to the United States. That's fine for the purposes of finding intent-based keywords. So intent-based keywords is a keyword that has a strong indication that someone's trying to solve a problem in their house and needs to hire your client. So I'm going to start with a non-intent-based keyword, though this one's arguable, but I'm going to say it's not intent-based because you don't know enough. Plumber. Let's do a search and see what type of keywords are identified in the Google Keyword Planner, Google Ads Keyword Planner. That'll help me out. Okay, so here's plumber. There's 550,000 searches just for plumber. But let's look at the keyword ideas that were generated by this seed keyword that you provided it. Plumbers near me. Very intent-based right away. That is an intent-based keyword. That's the type of keyword that you want to include in your Google Ads campaign. I'm going to move me out of the way. Here, emergency plumber near me, intent-based keyword. Even emergency plumber, plumbing services near me, 24-hour plumbing near me, plumbing companies near me, local plumbers probably. Now here's where you have to be careful. That is intent-based, but it's not an intent you want. So you would typically not include cheap plumbers near me unless your primary claim to fame is that you are the cheapest plumber in the area. So best plumbers, maybe. That's getting a little broader there. A local plumber near me, good, 24/7. Here's another one. You might not want that keyword, but it is intent-based. I'm going to try to find one that is not intent-based. I'm not even going to touch that one. We'll come back to affordable later. So this is not intent-based. This is someone looking for the brand name of your competitor. Typically, you're at the top of your search. It's where you're going to find more of your intent-based, your better keywords. And as you scroll down, they're going to go downhill. Anderson Plumbing is another competitor. Precision Plumbing, likely a competitor. Dunn Plumbing could be a competitor, but that's an example of a keyword phrase. Has no intent, no idea what it is. Okay, we're going to dive into affordable here, and that's where I'm going to close this video on intent-based keywords out. I hope that you understand. I'll walk through it one more time before we close out. Affordable plumber, that is a great keyword to understand, and that affordable word is the key here, because there are a lot of businesses that are called affordable something. So there are a lot of businesses that might be called affordable plumbing. On the same hand, someone could be searching for affordable plumbing that's affordable. So that's the type of tricky keyword that you really have to watch out for. Do you include it? Do you not include it? You might want to search and see, is there an affordable plumbing company in my market? And if there is, I probably don't want to target that keyword because it's probably a brand keyword. That's the type of keyword that's really tricky and right on the edge. You have to really consider. So remember, your intent-based keywords typically are going to have pretty high search volume because a lot of people are using them to find the service, and they're really indicative that you need a service, that you're not just in a how-to mode, you're not looking for parts, but you need a service. Emergency plumber near me is about as good as it gets if you like to do emergency plumbing. So that's an intent-based keyword. If you go with something like plumber, you're really going to have your ad shown for a lot of searches that you probably don't want it to show for. The other thing that's going to happen if you go phrase match or broad match instead of exact match, you're going to open up a Pandora's box of searches that are probably way off target. So go with intent-based keyword whenever possible. I'll show you how we build them out in the campaign in a future video, but I just wanted you to see this today. Thanks. Hey, by the way, I'm Mark Kelly with Inbound Revenue. All my contact information is below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you. Let me know if you have any questions at all about Google Ads, running an agency, sales, etc. Talk to you all soon. Thanks so much.